Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix explorer.exe if it keeps crashing on Windows 10, 8, 7 and all of them basically. So before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel and do that right now. And once you're done, we can start. This is gonna be an easy and a quick tutorial, and all you want to do is just right click on the taskbar and click on Task Manager. Look for explorer.exe. So I think it should be somewhere at the bottom of the page. Okay, so there it is, Windows Explorer. And what you want to do is right click on it and click on End Task. Once you do that, just click on File, click on Run New Task and enter explorer.exe. Click on OK and it should start right up. If you don't have the taskbar and you can open the task manager with the taskbar, then all you want to do is just click on Control, Alt and Delete, and it should take you to this menu. Just click on Task Manager and there it is. Do the same steps. That's it guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment.